she whispered into a microphone, and the world screamed back in awe. A voice like a ghost in the fog, lyrics like poetry from the soul, Billie Eilish didn't just rise to fame, she reshaped the sound of a generation. This is the story of how a shy girl from Highland Park became one of the most influential music icons of the 21st century. Billie Eilish Pirate Baird O'Connell was born on the 18th of December 2001 in Los Angeles, California, to a family where creativity flowed like oxygen. Her parents, Maggie Baird and Patrick O'Connell, homeschooled Billie and her older brother, Phineas. They taught them to express themselves, to create freely, and most importantly, to listen closely to the world around them. At just 8 years old, Billie joined the Los Angeles Children's Choir, where her love for music began to bloom. But Billie wasn't chasing stardom, she was just creating. Billie's big brother, Phineas, was already experimenting with music production in his bedroom studio. One day, he asked Billie to record a song he had written, a moody melodic track called Ocean Eyes. They uploaded it to SoundCloud in 2015, just for fun, but the internet had other plans. Ocean Eyes went viral overnight, capturing hearts with its haunting vocals and vulnerable lyrics. Suddenly, the siblings were no longer playing with sounds in their bedrooms. They were building the foundation of a music revolution. In 2019, Billie and Finneas released her debut studio album, Faye, When We All Fall Asleep. Where Do We Go? It was eerie, bold, hypnotic, with songs like Bad Guy, Bury a Friend, and You Should See Me in a Crown. Billie shattered pop norms. Her voice, whisper, soft, yet impossible to ignore. Her aesthetic, oversized clothes, neon hair, and no apologies. Her message, be real, be raw, be you. The album debuted at #1 on the Billboard 200, making her the youngest female artist ever to top the chart. She was just 17. In 2020, Billie did something only legends had done before. At the 62nd Grammy Awards, she swept the Big Four categories: Best New Artist, Song of the Year, Record of the Year, and Album of the Year. And she added a fifth for Best Pop Vocal Album. At 18, she became the youngest artist ever to achieve that feat. But Billie wasn't focused on trophies. She was using her platform to speak out on climate change, body image, mental health, and more. She wasn't just a pop star, she was a cultural force. In 2021, Billie released her second studio album, Faye Happier Than Ever. Gone were the green roots and chains. In their place, platinum hair, golden tones, and lyrics steeped in self-reflection. Songs like Your Power and Happier Than Ever showed a more mature Billie, one unafraid to call out abuse, reclaim her voice, and evolve her sound. Once again, the world listened. The album hit #1 in 25 countries and earned her more Grammy nominations. Billie's talent transcended genres. She recorded the theme song, No Time to Die, for the James Bond film, and won an Academy Award, a Golden Globe, and a Grammy for it. She also collaborated with brands like Gucci and Nike, all while staying true to her values, pushing sustainable fashion, promoting mental wellness, and staying connected to her fans through honesty. Through it all, her bond with Phineas remained unbreakable. Behind every beat, harmony, and haunting lyric, he was there. Together, they weren't just making music, they were making history. Billie Eilish isn't just a Grammy-winning artist, she's a movement, a symbol of the next generation's voice, quiet, but never silent. From a bedroom in LA to global stages, Billie Eilish proved that you don't need to shout to be heard. You just need to be fearlessly yourself. And if her journey is any indication, Faye, the most powerful verses are still to come.